In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a SuiteDash account for your business, step by step, so you can hit the ground running with all the features this platform has to offer. If you're looking for a user-friendly, all-in-one business management solution, this video will help you get started quickly. First, let's jump into SuiteDash's homepage. Head over to SuiteDash.com and you'll see a prominent sign-up button right away. Go ahead and click on Get Started, and you'll be prompted to enter your business details. Make sure you have your business name, email, and a password you'll remember ready for the next step. Next thing, you'll choose a plan that suits your business needs. SuiteDash offers multiple pricing tiers, so take your time to compare them. For most small to medium businesses, the standard plan is usually the best option, but if you're scaling up quickly, you might consider their premium options for more features. Don't worry about commitment yet, though you'll be able to switch plans later if needed. Once you've chosen your plan, SuiteDash will prompt you to enter payment information. This part is pretty standard, but what's great is that they offer a 14-day free trial, so you can test everything out before committing. After entering your payment info, hit Complete Sign Up and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now that you're signed in, SuiteDash will walk you through some basic setup steps. This includes customizing your profile and adding your logo and business details. You'll also be able to integrate your email and calendars to sync everything with your SuiteDash account. It's a great time to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll manage all your projects, clients, and invoices. The fourth thing you'll want to do is add your team members if applicable. You can invite them by email to create their own login credentials and then assign specific roles and permissions depending on what they need access to. This is perfect for teams that need collaborative access to various parts of your SuiteDash account. Lastly, let's talk about integrations. SuiteDash works well with other software tools you may already be using. You can connect SuiteDash with Google Workspace, Zapier, Stripe, and even QuickBooks. Setting up these integrations is quick, and it will save you a ton of time syncing your data across platforms. Now that you've got SuiteDash up and running for your business, here's something important to keep in mind. While SuiteDash has many fantastic features, it's not the only option out there. If you're looking for something even more tailored to your specific business goals, there are alternatives that might serve you better, especially if you want a more specialized tool or better customer support. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial SuiteDash offers, plus some extended benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But we've also found some amazing alternatives with free trials that can help you achieve your business goals even more efficiently. Check them out in the description and see which one works best for you. So, if you're ready to level up your business operations, create your SuiteDash account today and explore the powerful features waiting for you. And if you want even more options, the alternatives mentioned will ensure you're making the best choice for your business needs.